Oh. Hey guys, welcome to Simply Rosita on the Boho Babe Homestead. Unboxing another package from Temu. This one is a bar stool set for the kitchen, the breakfast bar for the tiny home. Alrighty, this is open. It's a box in a box. That's never open. Yeah, it says bar stool. This is supposed to be two. I'm hoping that it is. These boxes have been iffy lately. Okay. And these, I got the black finish because I'm doing black and white. A little bit of gray. I'm doing black tones to match the wood tone. The walls will be painted white. I'm going for a natural look, but I need to cut down all the wood look, the wood finish, because the floors are wood. Like, they're ceramic tiles, but they look like wood. The ceiling, wood tone. Yeah, so these are two. I wanted the gray because I got gray end tables. I did an unboxing for that one. And these ones are pretty tall. They have some short ones on there. If you're not careful, you might end up buying the short ones that are only 2 feet tall. But these ones are 30... I think they're maybe like 3 feet tall, which is almost the counter height. Will be a little bit taller than that, but I'm not digging through it. I just wanted to make sure that I got the right stuff. And these are the parts, the screws and stuff. But yep, another awesome purchase from Temu. So far I have purchased all my furniture from Temu for the house. The only thing I have left to do is I need a coffee table. I need shelves and cabinets for the kitchen, and I think I'm gonna go with what's this? I'm gonna go with, I think this was inside this box. I don't know what happened there. And they have some little pantry things that you can, it's pre-made. All you gotta do is assemble it. I want one of those. I'm leaning in between black and white. I'm thinking the white might be too overbearing. That's why I ended up getting these stools. These were $14. Overall purchase $14. I got them, I snagged them while they were having a promo. So yep, that's it. I'm rambling. Thanks for watching. If you want to see me assemble, subscribe. If you want to see the finished product when I finish the house, subscribe. Turn on your notification and stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.